are here as the people of Mumias East constituency and the entire Lower Kakamega, and we are here to give the following statement in regard to what is happening currently. As you are all aware, is that Mumias Sugar has been closed by the cartels, by some few cartels who wants the machine to be stopped so that they can continue frustrating our farmers. And because of that, we have the following statement to read to the nation. As we await tomorrow's court's ruling, as a community, this is what we have to tell the Kenyans to understand. And I am going to speak this one on the behalf of the farmers, because the Mumias Sugar is in my constituency. And here with me is the religious leaders. We have the Bishop Wandera, is the bishop of the ACK Church, and we also have and the father of Catholic. They also give their own opinion. They are not political, and Monondo also not looking for the seat. So they are here on the neutral background. I stand together with the farmers present here, representing over 45,000 farmers within Kakamega County. We heard and saw a circulation of an order where current Mumias Sugar Company management has been told to stop the plant. We are condemning this order, and the court has not taken care of the interest of farmers, employees, and our families. Number two, as schools are opening and our children are supposed to go to the school, we have no other source to pay our school fees. Three, this is an infringement of our rights of education, right to live, and the whole country will suffer as a whole. We as farmers, before, during, and after the rain, plant agriculture can development implementation of the High Court order will interfere with the agriculture policy of the country, and especially the counties of Kakamega, Busia, and Bungoma. All the costs incurred by our farmers, borrowed from different financial institutions, circles, and other sources, will be wasted, and we shall be unable to repay the loans. After 6 years, the factory has started purchasing cane from our fields. Current investor Sarai has made significant investment to revive plant and machinery. This has given us hope for the revival of Mumias. By the orders, it will negatively impact on revival of Mumias and give room in mistreatment of our farmers by companies that want to monopolize the sector. We the farmers have been assured by the present running management of Mumias about our prompt cane harvest, payment on weekly basis, which are they honoring since last nine months without fail. The petitioner who went to the court is a creditor requesting for his or her money to be paid. We are unable to understand how non-working of Mumias will facilitate the payment of the creditor. The application was not placed in good faith. It seems that the few sugar barons have vested interest for non-survival of Mumias, and therefore sponsored several known parties who have nothing to do with Mumias and moving to various courts seeking orders to stop Mumias by hook or crook. The investors has demonstrated their competency, their investment in rehabilitating of plant and machinery. We are confident that this is the right investor to run Mumias. The current investor has also demonstrated his engagement with us on social corporate responsibility by rehabilitation of damaged bridges and various roads within the county. We have seen rehabilitation and planting of cane in the company's nucleus. Approximately 2,000 hectares of cane is planted, and hundreds of youths are currently engaged in the planting, weeding, and spraying. Implementation of stoppage order will directly affect them. We are aware that about 1,900 employment has been generated directly or indirectly, and by shutting Mumias, these employees will go without an income and food to feed our families. In view of the above, we are requesting the President, our county government, and the courts to intervene and not allow a few politicians, advocates, namely Kimeto, Haminwa, and Senator Tomo Jenda, to keep off the affairs of Mumias. We are left with no option than to mobilize our farmers in numbers to move to Kakamega and Nairobi and have a sit down until we are heard. We are asking our honorable courts not to entertain busybodies and hear our plea on a humanitarian grounds immediately and recall the order on closure of Mumias. We are serving our rights to come to court. If it is not recalled, we are ready to join in and be heard as matters of public interest. We advise our farmers to stop taking cane to parties that are sponsoring these cases as they continue to exploit our farmers.